Hi, welcome to our class. Welcome, welcome. By the way, I would like to introduce myself first. So, my name is Ira, and you can just call me Teacher Ira. Again, you can just call me Teacher Ira. Alright? But what about you? What is your name? Oh, Kylie. Beautiful name. Okay. It's nice to meet you, Kylie. It's nice to meet you. All right. Before we proceed with our discussion for today, Kylie, may I just ask you if you can hear and see me clearly? I will repeat. Can you hear and see me clearly? Yes? Okay, so if yes, that's good. And we will now proceed. Okay. So for today, we will be talking about what, Kylie? About, yes, birds. We will be talking about birds. Particularly the topic, can all birds fly? So by the end of our discussion, we will be able to learn and to answer the question if all birds can really fly. So Kylie, are you ready? Are you excited? Okay, then let's go. Ooh, it's so colorful here. Look at this, Kylie. What are those? What do we see on this slide? Yes, exactly, animals. And I am curious, what animals do you like, Kylie, from this group? What animals do you like? Can you pick at least two animals that you like by encircling them? Okay, you may start now. Oh, and what is that? A giraffe. That is correct. But next time, please try to answer in a complete sentence. So you may say, it is a giraffe. Again, it is a giraffe. You say it. All right. Well said. Aside from that, what else? Any other animal that you like? What else? Oh, and what is that? Answer in a complete sentence. Okay, it is a cat. So aside from these two that you pick here, we can see on this picture there is a dog, there are birds, there is an elephant here, there is a tiger, and in the leftmost part of the picture there is a monkey. All right. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. Oh, I think we see this picture from the previous slide. So, what animal is that, Kylie? Okay, it is a bird. But what bird is it? All right, a magpie. That is correct. So, here is an actual picture of a magpie to familiarize yourself with how it looks like. So take a look, Kylie. This is how a magpie looks like in real life. Kylie, can you say the sentence after me? This is a magpie. Your turn. All right, well said. But what about here? How many magpies are there in the picture? Okay, two magpies. But how can you say it in a complete sentence? How will you say it? You can say, there are two magpies in the picture. All right. Say it. Okay. So we use are if the subject is plural. Okay. There are two birds in the picture. Okay. So moving on. Can you say again the sentence after me? Magpies are birds. All right. Very good. So here we learn that magpies are birds. A magpie is a type of bird. So take a good look. Okay, look at the picture carefully. Okay, and then next. So we have here a short activity, Kylie, to test if you already know how a magpie looks like. All you have to do is to click and find all the magpies on this picture. You can cross out each one. Are you ready? Okay, you may start now. Okay, that is correct. Okay, correct. All right. Are there any magpies left, Kylie? Look carefully. That is all. All right. So overall, Kylie, how many magpies are there in the picture? Answer in a complete sentence. There are. Exactly. All right, that is correct. There are five magpies in the picture. Very good, Kylie. Here is a star for you because you did a great job. Your answer is correct. Okay, next. So look at this illustration here, Kylie. Look at the pictures, the phrases, and the word. What can you say about magpies by looking at this illustration? All right, yes, magpies are birds. That is correct. What else aside from that? Can they fly? All right, exactly. Magpies can fly. So we learn here that magpies are birds that can fly, right? Is that right? Okay. So please keep that information in mind. Okay, we have another picture here. What bird is it, Kylie? What bird is it? Okay, a penguin. Right. So here again is an actual picture of a penguin to familiarize yourself with how it looks like. Okay, take a good look. Try to observe. Okay. Please say the sentence after me. This is a penguin. Your turn. One more time. This is a penguin. All right. Well said. Okay. So on this slide, how many penguins are there in the picture? Answer in a complete sentence. All right. There are two penguins in the picture. Good job. Okay, next. Okay. Please say the sentence after me. Penguins are birds. Penguins are birds. Your turn. All right, very good, Kylie. All right. So here again is another short activity. All you have to do is to find the correct penguin's wing. Please encircle your answer. Are you ready? Okay, start now. Is that your final answer? Are you sure with that? Okay, your answer is correct. Here is a star for you. Good job. Your answer is correct. So it means you are aware with how a penguin looks like. Very good. Okay, look again here, Kylie, on this illustration. What can you say about penguins by looking at this illustration? And also based from what we discussed a while ago. Yes, okay, exactly. Penguins are birds. What else? Can they fly? Can they fly? All right, that is correct. Penguins cannot fly. So that is their difference with the magpies. Penguins cannot fly. All right. So penguins are birds that cannot fly. They don't have the ability to do so. Okay? So next. So to summarize it for you, Kylie, let me just summarize it all for you. So magpies and penguins are both birds. However, magpies can fly while penguins cannot. Okay, are we clear with that? Is that clear with you? Okay, please keep that in mind. All right, try to remember. So next here we have another activity. I think this is the last one. So don't worry, this is easy. I know you can answer this. But let me just remind you to please answer the questions in complete sentences. All right? Are you ready? Okay, let us start. First question. Can penguins fly? Kylie, can penguins fly? What do you think? Based on what we talk about today. All right, that is correct. So the answer is no. Penguins cannot fly. Very good, Kylie. Next question. Are magpies birds? Are magpies birds, Kylie? Based on what we discussed, what do you think? Okay, your answer is correct. Yes, magpies are birds. Very good. Good job, Kylie. Okay. Again, let me just clarify again. Magpies and penguins are both birds, but magpies can fly while penguins cannot. That is their difference. Magpies can fly and penguins cannot. Okay, so my question here is, Kylie, do you know any other birds that cannot fly? Can you give me at least one example of a bird that cannot fly except penguins? Think of an answer. What is it? An ostrich? Your answer is correct. Very good. Excellent. So, an ostrich is also a type of bird that cannot fly. Your answer is correct, Kylie. So, I can see that you have learned our lesson for today. Good job. Okay. But going back, Kylie, going back to our very first question, which is also our topic for today, I want to ask you this now. Can all birds fly? Can all birds fly? Answer in a complete sentence. All right, good job. Your answer is correct. So the answer is no, not all birds can fly because some can while others cannot. Okay, very good. So that is pretty much all for today, Kylie. Do you have any questions or clarifications? None? Okay, so if none, this is the end of our class for today. But let me congratulate you because you have answered our activities correctly. You did well and you have understood our lesson today. Thank you for participating. Okay, and I am excited to see you again on our next class. So, bye for now, Kylie, and see you again next time. Bye.